Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia C20 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways which will allow us to check those numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings. Of course I will show both options. So let's begin with the shorter one, the quicker one. Let's enter the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check it if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And as you can see right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you would like to check the serial number, just tap on Model and Hardware and the serial number appears. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Nokia C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.